Bangladesh is all set to welcome Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi tomorrow for a two-day visit. Prime Minister Modi will take part in the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the country's independence. It will be the Prime Minister's first visit to a foreign country since the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic. Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan Shringla said that a range of pacts will be signed and announcements will be made to bolster cooperation in several areas. Now, WION's principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal gets us the details, the key points of this visit from Dhaka and the current state of relations between India and Bangladesh.
Ties between India and Bangladesh have been on an upswing, and both countries describe this relationship as undergoing Shonali Adhyay or golden era. The Indian Prime Minister last visited Dhaka in 2015. The focus, of course, will be on increasing engagement this time as well. Last year, December saw the virtual summit between both the Prime Minister, in which the focus was on connectivity with the opening of Haldibari and Chilahati railway link, increasing connectivity between Bangladesh and the Indian state of West Bengal.
Siddhant also spoke to the Indian ambassador to Bangladesh, Vikram Doraiswamy. Listen in.
To start about this entire visit, what will be the key focus of Prime Minister's visit to Bangladesh? He will be in Dhaka, he will be going outside Dhaka, and this is the first visit in more than 1 year. Because of the COVID pandemic, there haven't been any visits. So what will be the key focus during his Bangladesh stay?
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me on your channel. Look, as you correctly said, this is Prime Minister's first visit since, in fact, November of 2019. Since then, we've had the COVID pandemic. Prime Minister is conscious of the fact that COVID is still a challenge. He takes great emphasis on the need for all of us to continue to exercise necessary precautions. But even in this climate, even in this period of continuing global health uncertainty, his determination to visit Bangladesh reflects the central position that Bangladesh occupies as a country that is both in our Act East and our Neighbourhood First policy. So the intersect of both.
Now, talking about Bangladesh specifically, it is being called as a miracle, economic miracle. We know that how India is engaging with Bangladesh in terms of connectivity as well. So specifically regarding the economic miracle which is happening here in Bangladesh, if you can talk about that.
So, look, I think it's very important that people in India understand this a little bit better. Bangladesh is truly an economic miracle for a number of reasons. One of it being the care they've taken in addressing serious socio-economic challenges for the last several decades. So Bangladesh worked assiduously at the people's level, at the level of civil society and at the level of government to raise every single important socio-economic metric, including women's education, women's participation in the economy, literacy, basic childcare, basic health, access to simple medicines. And through that process, Bangladesh has actually steadily transformed the base on which the infrastructure could be built. In other words, the economic activity. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has actually taken that model of her father's approach forward since the time she came back to power. And her approach has been to rapidly build economic opportunity. And so the success that you see of Bangladesh today is based on this excellent foundation that they laid.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.